welcome to my channel. This is a tissue box that is high school colors, and they are red and blue. And the principal asked for me to make him a tissue box for his desk. So I added a little white in some places, and so I'm hoping it doesn't look like red, white, and blue. So I tried to be very limited to the white. So I did put white here so the bow would pop out. Then on the side, I put a heart, and then, you know, like fireworks, like an explosion type thing for like pep rally type stuff. And then the H. So I just did the cute little design here, and then I just threw in the H. Once I got done, I did 2 rows, top and bottom, and then that's how I determined the H. And then for fun, if you can see it or not, from a distance, let me pull it back, see if you can see it. There's an H in there, and it kind of looks like a flag. It's like little flags, like referee flags type thing, and that's an H. So I just did the outside red and then a row of white, and then I did an H in the red and then filled it in with white. And so that's how that looks. So it looks like flags, but there is an H in there. Same with this side. I didn't want the sides to match. Oops, I gave away the good part. So here is the inside of the box with the H, and then this is the opposite side, the side that will be facing him, and his initial is M. His last name is an M. So I thought, how cool is that? So I just made the M outside, I stitched the M, and then I cut it out, and then I did the red around it, and then I stuck it on there. So that way it has his initial on it. And I thought that'd be like a cute custom thing for a high school principal, so because he teaches high school. So I put the H for high school. I could have did the M, but he said he wanted it for his office and his high school, and the colors were red and blue because I looked them up online, and so I was very stoked. So I tried to use very little white because I wanted to kind of, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit more. I hate showing that little board there. Let's see if I can get that board out. Sorry about that. I apologize. But anyway, so that way you can kind of see it. So he has a front pocket here. He can put, and this one's a little taller if you notice. It's so that he can put pens and pencils in there and stuff. Rulers, you know, and they'll kind of hide down in there. Or he can put them on this side, or he can use it for really whatever. I mean, he can put notepads in there and stuff. So, but I absolutely love this. I love it. It's like a really cool high school cheerleading, love high school, you know, the magic of high school, like fireworks. I don't know. I just thought it was cute. And I can't wait for him to. And then I did the star, and I just kept expanding the star until it touched. And then on here, if you notice, this should be centered, you know, because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the center. So that's why this is up higher and not down low, because the piece that would be missing would be the blue piece. So I could have centered it, but I just kind of left it with the center of the box. And then, of course, it goes straight across, and then this is where the box cuts off. So I tried to kind of like follow the box design so that maybe it would look more, I don't know. I don't really have a reason, but so of course the inside looks crazy because I've been doing my bows a little different, trying different way to make it easier because I'm getting to where it's hard to stitch some days and my eyes aren't doing so good. So I'm trying to find a quick way to do it. So I hope you really, really like this video. It is a visual video for you to come up with other cool ideas to inspire you to make cool things for your family. And basically, it's just a sheet. It's basically, except for this one's a different template, but this is basically a sheet. You know, this is the size of the tissue box, and then you keep the sides the same. Once you finish the center of the tissue box, you draw your black line, and then you can, once you finish stitching your design, then you cut it. But this was my next one for a bathroom. They're going to put their lipsticks and makeups and things there, and they want this to be very thin because they're going to put their brushes and things in there. So I haven't figured out a design. But yeah, the center is always the same. And then the outer edge, you keep it the same so that once you finish stitching it, you can cut it out and then use it as your template for your other tissue box. So there you go. So that's kind of why you want to be very careful. But that's why I did mine the way I did it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this visual video. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much. I do appreciate that. And if you are a paid member, thank you. That helps me buy supplies so that I can create more cool ideas for you. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.